Hey guys, Jeff Andersen here with Lund Fishing Boats. I want to share with you a little tip on how I keep my fishing rods and reels up and running all season long. You know, throughout the season, we put our fishing rods and reels through the abuse, especially in the game of muskie fishing. And you know, I spend pretty much all of July, August, September, October, and in November using a muskie fishing rod and reel, and we put them through the absolute test. When these fail, it's a lot of the reasons they fail is just because of proper maintenance. Now, you got to oil them, you got to keep them clean, and yada, yada, yada. But something that I have found over the years is simply putting a nice cover on them and utilizing a rod sleeve when you're traveling or when you have them stored actually keeps them prolonged for such a long time. It's amazing how well this protects the fishing rod, and it's amazing how well a simple neoprene cover like this keeps the dirt, the grime, the dust, everything that's not good for a fishing reel out of there. And my reels have lasted so much longer, even though I put them through the abuse. So I encourage you, whether you're a walleye angler or bass angler, to invest in a very inexpensive rod sleeve, a nice neoprene cover for your reel, and when you store them, when you drive down the road, whatever it may be, cover them up. It's going to prolong that fishing rod and reel, and you'll be fishing all season long. I'm Jeff Andersen with Lund Fishing Boats.